you had the Panera Bread broccoli cheddar soup? It is so good, so I wanted to make my own version in the Instant Pot. It is so easy to make, so keep watching to see exactly how to make it. Hi, I'm Maria. I love bringing you positivity and inspiration in my videos, and I try to do it in the most creative way that I can. I do fashion lookbooks, recipe, cupcake, and home decor videos, so make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll know when I post new videos. Today I'm going to recreate the Panera Bread broccoli cheddar soup in my Instant Pot. It will make about 6 servings, and it's really quick to make, around 30 minutes from start to finish until you have some soup that's ready to eat. So let's get right into this recipe with the ingredients that you will need. 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/2 cup onion chopped up, 1/4 cup flour, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 cup grated carrot, 1 head of broccoli cut into small pieces, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 cups vegetable stock, 2 cups heavy cream, 2 cups grated cheddar, salt and pepper. First, you'll want to set your Instant Pot to the saute function. Add the butter and the chopped onion and saute for a few minutes. Add the flour and the garlic and saute for an additional 2 minutes. Next, you'll add the carrots, the broccoli, the nutmeg, and the vegetable stock. Then you'll want to change the setting to high pressure and set it for 15 minutes. Use the quick release method. And then stir in the cream and the cheddar cheese. And you'll add that salt and pepper at the end. That is it, and you have a version of the Panera Bread broccoli cheddar soup all for yourself. I actually think this version is better than the one at Panera Bread. I like to serve it with crusty bread, and it reheats really nicely in the microwave. I hope that you make this for yourself and you can enjoy it on its own or alongside the rest of your meal. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked this video. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.